Hi guys, it's Alicja here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to answer some of your questions you asked me on Instagram, so let's go. First question from NiginArts93. Isn't iPad so difficult to draw because it has not a lot of features and no hotkeys, no keyboard? How? Well, no, this is actually exactly the reason why Procreate is superior to other programs, in my opinion, because the interface, the front page, like the options, it's so minimalistic. I absolutely love it. I have worked with Paint Toolsay, with Ibis, with Sketchbook, with Photoshop. I worked with Photoshop a lot and I hated the messy interface of it. I hated that I can see all of those options that I will never use, all those little icons. It just messed with my head so much. I have ADHD, so I have some problems with focusing, and if there are so many little icons, I can't focus on drawing and I can't remember what they are for, and as so many of them, mostly in Photoshop, you will never use, because Photoshop is not made for drawing only. So this is like Procreate. I love Procreate. I will never ever in my life change from Procreate to anything else. Maybe if they make another very good, very minimalistic program, maybe. But still, Procreate is so good, you know? And also, all of those options you might think that you miss. No, you don't. They're just hidden. You can get all of the options you need on Procreate, but they are just not visible in the front because you don't need them all the time. Those options are just for some situations, like you need to do it like once in a while, once a year sometimes you'll use it. Why would they be in your face all the time if you don't use it? Or you use it once a year or once a month even. So yeah, I'm all for Procreate, minimalistic, just it's amazing. Next question. Dio Monaco, your drawing have some of the best color palettes ever. Any secret slash tips? There are no secrets. I do have a video about colors, how to use color contrast, for example, hue contrast, saturation contrast, value contrast, all of those things, which is handy. Like, you should know how it works, so go watch this video. And also in the previous video, I talked about how color theory is very weird, but there are no secret tips, tricks to do it. There's one thing I can tell you that's most important, and you're probably going to roll your eyes because I am talking about it all the time, and you can probably already guess what I'm going to say, which is you need to use references. Yes, references for everything. Your eyes will not know what kind of colors they are seeing. They see everything in one piece. So there's almost, if your eyes are not trained, there's no way you'll know what kind of color is something exactly, because the environment will change it for you. It just creates some kind of effects that you will not be able to guess right away what color it is. Some skin can be absolutely gray just because the background, the whole environment is gray, but it's not actually gray, and for you it will just appear like normal skin color in a dark environment. So always use references. Take pictures off of internet, like something with interesting colors. Take them and just look at the colors. Take the colors and draw some circles. Just analyze it a little bit, and even take the colors and draw your drawing with it. It's really interesting experience. So do it and just watch my videos about colors too. Next question. Love the way. If you ever ended up not drawing, what would you do? I don't think I will ever end up not drawing unless someone cuts my hands off. If I couldn't do it for a job, I would still do it for a hobby, because it's the only thing that really gives me peace of mind when I do it. The only thing where I can like use my creativity, and I love it. Only hobby I actually absolutely love, so I will never stop doing it unless someone really forces me. Please don't cut off my hands. But for a job, if I couldn't do it for a job, I would probably look for something different. Like maybe I'll try to be an actor. Maybe I'll just travel the world and do some shitty jobs just to still have some fun life. I still want to do it now, but now I can just use my normal earnings from drawing, so it's easier. But if I couldn't, I would just work some shitty jobs in everywhere, the whole world. It would have been pretty nice, actually. Next question. Cricket Laughter. Would you fight a goose? If yes, how many geese would it take to change your mind? Okay. I think if a goose stole my Apple Pencil, because I would not fight a goose just without a reason. Like if it stole my Apple Pencil and it came with a whole gang of geese, I think I can fight like 19. 20 is too much, but 19 I can do it. And last, Sherry Gordon asks me, can you adopt me? Yeah, sure. I have some space next to my dog. I am a very good cook, so I can make you some dinner. Yeah. Sure. Come over. I'm in Poland. Alright, this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked the drawing and the final result. If you want to see my face or hear my voice once again, make sure to subscribe to my channel with a bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new amazing video, because YouTube hates me, and if you don't get the notification bell, you will not know I post a new video. Anyway, thank you guys. I love you so much. Bye bye. Also, to get my brushes, make sure to go to my website alicyaprince.com. Thank you.